What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google review request all within HighLevel. Google reviews are the lifeblood of any business. And with this automation I'm about to show you, you can actually safeguard yourself from getting a lot of negative reviews and only sending your review links to customers who've had a positive experience with you. So with that said, let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually connect your Google account and connect your Google My Business. Now, I don't really have one of these because I'm not a brick and mortar location, but I'll show you exactly what you need to do it. So if you go to settings and you go to integrations, you'll have an option of connecting your Google account and selecting your Google My Business page. Next, what you'll do is you'll go to reputation management and you'll generate a link, which I can't because I don't have mine connected, but you'll generate a link here that you can use to send to customers to leave you a review. Now, once you got that, you're going to go to automation, create workflow, start from scratch, and we're going to go ahead and add a new trigger. This can be anything you want, but I'm just going to make it a contact tag. So when tag is added, review. When the review tag is added, I'm going to go ahead and send an SMS to the customer saying, hey, thank you for utilizing our services. And in this section, you're basically just going to send them like a net promoter score text, trying to get some like very low level feedback on how you did. And so we'll say something like, please rate your experience with us on a scale of 1 to 5. Please respond with any number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So we're going to save that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a wait step. And this wait step, we're just going to wait for the contact to reply to SMS. And we'll put a timeout, basically meaning they don't respond within 1 hour, we'll basically just cancel the automation. People take a minute to reply though, so I would maybe put this a little bit longer. Next, we're going to do an if-else statement. This branch is going to be 1 through 3. And I'm going to say, if the contact replies and the replied message contains 1, add a condition, or if the contact replied contains 2, or if the contact replied contains 3, we'll go down this branch. I'll add another branch saying 4 through 5 and say if the contact replies contains 4, or if the contact replies contains 5. Save this action, and in here I'll send a text basically saying something like, we're sorry to hear about your bad experience. We want to make it right. Please provide us with some feedback so we can help. And in this one, we're going to say, amazing. Thank you for being a valued customer. If you have 5 minutes. Would you please take the time to leave us a 5-star review on Google? Our business is thanks to you and the reviews we receive. And then you'll put the link here. So if you have a link, you'd put it, which I do not have, but I would put the link in here. Or if you wanted to send it through HighLevel, you can actually look up send. I think it's, let me just look up review. Yeah, send review request. And we're going to send it in an SMS. Click publish, save. And there you go. That's a very simple Google review campaign that you can do in as little as 5 minutes, it seems. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If you like this stuff, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a ton, and I will see you in the next video.